So I just stumbled across the concept of a progressive web app or PWA. It's like merging the web and mobile apps, right?
Exactly. A PWA can be installed on a device just like a native app, but it runs in the browser. That's pretty cool.
Right, and I found out they can even work offline. How does that even work?
It uses service workers, which are scripts that run in the background. They manage caching and allow apps to function without a connection.
Wait, service workers, that sounds high tech, but don't you think they could complicate things for developers?
Absolutely, there's a learning curve. But once you get the hang of it, they offer a lot of power. Think of it as building your own mini server.
That makes sense, so it's kind of like having your cake and eating it too. You get the best of both worlds.
Exactly. But let's not overlook that not all browsers fully support PWAs yet. That could be a roadblock.
True, I mean, imagine building something great and then realizing half your audience can't even access it.
Right? And while PWAs are great, they don't have access to all device features a native app does, like Bluetooth.
Oh wow, that's a limitation. So it sounds like businesses need to weigh the pros and cons carefully.
For sure. Plus, there's also the issue of user experience. PWAs need to be designed thoughtfully to feel native.
Exactly, it's like if a website and an app had a baby, but if it feels clunky, users won't stick around.
That's so true. And here's something interesting. Google's pushing for PWAs because they want to enhance mobile user engagement.
Wait, seriously, so there's a strategic angle here too. It's not just about technology, but also user retention.
Definitely. The evidence shows that PWAs can improve load times and engagement, which is super important.
Wow, that's a real game changer, but I wonder how businesses measure that impact effectively.
Great point. They can track metrics like load time, conversion rates, and user return rates to gauge success.
So if a business invests in a PWA, they need to be ready to analyze all that data afterwards.
Exactly, and they should also consider ongoing maintenance. Technology evolves quickly.
Right, so it's not just a one and done situation, they have to keep adapting.
Exactly, and have you noticed how much user expectations have shifted? They want fast, smooth experiences.
Totally, it's like we're all spoiled by how seamless apps are these days. Anything less feels frustrating.
Slightly impatient generation, right? But it's a reminder for developers. Performance is key.
For sure, so if someone wanted to build a PWA, where do they even start?
They could start with a simple HTML file and then include a manifest, JSON for metadata, and a service worker for functionality.
Manifest, JSON, that sounds like a lot of technical jargon. What's its function?
It's crucial. That file tells the browser how the app should behave when installed on a device.
Got it, so it's like giving instructions on how to treat your app.
Exactly. And without it, the app won't have the same native feel.
So what's next? Are there any caveats or challenges developers should keep in mind?
Well, there's still some inconsistent support across different browsers. Developers need to be aware of that.
Oh right, cross-browser compatibility always feels like a minefield.
It really does. And if you're not careful, your hard work might not reach everyone.
That's a bummer, so they really have to test it across platforms.
Exactly. It's all part of the process. And then there's SEO for PWAs, which is another layer.
SEO too, while this is layered, so they need to optimize for search engines despite being apps.
Absolutely. PWAs can be indexed just like regular web pages, which is a huge advantage.
That's an interesting advantage, so it's like a bridge between traditional websites and mobile apps.
Exactly. They break down barriers, which can open up new opportunities for businesses.
So if someone is thinking of a PWA, they really need to consider their audience and how they'll interact.
Yes, it's all about aligning the technology with the user experience and business goals.
There's a lot to unpack here, so what's the takeaway? Are PWAs the future?
I think they have the potential to be. However, it really depends on the use case and execution.
That makes sense, so while they're promising, businesses should weigh all these factors carefully.
Exactly. There's no one-size-fits-all solution, and that's what makes this field so interesting.